자, 오늘 트럼프 대통령이 일론 머스크의 테슬라 차를 샀습니다. 대통령의 보안 때문에 직접 매장에 가서 사고 그런 이벤트는 아니었지만 백악관 앞에 여러 모델들을 세워놓고 거기서 고르는 걸 했습니다. 이제 그 장면을 함께 보시죠.
And I'm going to buy because number one, it's a great product, as good as it gets. And number two, because this man has devoted his energy and his life to doing this. And I think he's been treated very unfairly by a very small group of people. And I just want people to know that you can't be penalized for being a patriot. And he's a great patriot. And he's also done an incredible job with Tesla. And I mean, nobody else has a car company started up in the last 30 years that's been successful. I don't think so. And not only successful, but super successful. And because he's able to find billions and billions and billions of dollars of fraud and waste and all of the things. I mean, our country is going to be very strong very soon because of a lot of the things that he's done and a lot of the things that I'm doing. And there's no better team, but there's no better for what we're doing. There's nobody like this, and he shouldn't be penalized. And when I watched the other day, I said, I can't believe it. It should be the opposite. People should be going wild, and they love the product, but because he's finding all sorts of terrible things that have taken place against our country, they want to penalize him in an economic sense, and I just think that's very unfair. So I just wanted to make a statement. I'm going to buy one. Now, here's the bad news. I'm not allowed to drive because I haven't driven a car in a long time, and I love to drive cars. But I'm going to have it at the White House, and I'm going to let my staff use it. I'm going to let people at the place use it, and they all are all excited about that. I'm not allowed to use it. Can you believe it? One of my great things in life is that I can, I like to drive cars, but I'm not allowed to. And I will say this one, the Cybertruck, I bought for a very special young woman. Do you know? I'm sure you've never heard of her, Kai. And she's a great golfer, and she puts the clubs in the back, and I guess it's a very safe deal. She loves it. And I actually bought one about a year ago, and she loves it. And it's very safe, it's very strong, heavy. It's all steel, stainless steel. But the car...
방금 트럼프 대통령이 언급한 이 카이 트럼프는 손녀인데 도널드 트럼프 주니어 장남의 딸입니다. 그래서 사이버 트럭을 고등학교 졸업 선물로 사줬다라고 얘기를 하는 거고요.
I just want to thank the president for his support. This means a lot. And also thank everyone out there who is supporting Tesla. It's really terrible that there's so much violence being perpetrated against people at Tesla, Tesla supporters, Tesla owners, Tesla stores. These are innocent people who've done nothing wrong.
여기서 일론 머스크가 매장과 무거운 사람들에게 이 일어나는 폭력 사건에 대해서 얘기를 하는 건데 최근에 미국에 이 일론 머스크의 매장 밖에서 시위가 일어나고 있습니다. 그래서 매점 상황을 보면 뭐 총격 받는 곳도 있고 불 던져지는 곳도 있고 그래서 폭력 시위가 일어나고 있는 거에 대해서 얘기를 하는 겁니다.
It's really terrible that there's so much violence being perpetrated against people at Tesla, Tesla supporters, Tesla owners, Tesla stores. These are innocent people who've done nothing wrong.
But nobody's been, it hasn't been, there's been some physical damage, a little damage, and we want to keep it that way because I don't want to say this, it's just not the appropriate, but law enforcement's out there watching everybody. We don't want this to happen. And not to somebody that's been so good to our country. He didn't have to do this. He didn't have to go through this. And we can't let it happen. And aside from that, I happen to love the product. It's a lot nicer if you also happen to love the product, and he's done a really good job. Go ahead, Peter.
Is there, I guess this is for Elon Musk, is there a discount? President Trump wrote the art of the deal. Is there any kind of room for negotiating here?
Let me answer that. I know he'd give me a discount, but honestly, I don't want to ask for one. I'm president, so I want to pay full price. And one of the things I'll say, by the way, speaking of Tesla, he manufactures more cars. I mean, he opened this incredible plant, one of the largest plants in the world, in Texas. Could you talk about that, Elon?
Yeah, it's worth noting that the Tesla cars have the most U.S. content of any cars on the market, so they're the most American-made. We have the biggest factory and the most advanced automotive factory in Texas that we've opened and continue to expand. And so this is very much these are great products. The Model S is one best car ever. So all these cars won incredible awards. So they're great cars and they're American made. And I think, try it. You'll like it.
자, 광고 잘하죠. 미국산 제품을 자기 회사보다 더 쓰는 회사는 없다라고 잘 어필을 했죠.
And I'm just saying, beyond the cars, they're great. But we have to celebrate somebody that has the courage to do this. He could have said, I'm not doing anything. I'm not going to get involved. Let the country go to hell. He didn't want to do that. And remember, he's going to find, and we're up to almost $500 billion worth of waste and fraud, and it'll be $500 billion. We're giving $2 billion here, $2 billion there, not millions. It was a bet. If it was $1 million or $2 million, that's a lot of money. But we're talking about billions of dollars being given to defunct, scams, given to people with nothing. They have nothing going. They open up a subchapter S corporation, and they put $2 billion into it from nowhere. And we've caught a lot of them. I wish we could catch all of them, but we've caught a lot of them. And he's been largely responsible. So we have to celebrate him. And it's not that he's conservative. I don't even know if he's conservative. I will tell you this.
자, 여기서 일론 머스크가 보수적인지도 모르겠다라고 얘기를 했습니다. 그래서 정치랑 어느 정도 좀 떨어지게 하려고 하는 그런 모습이 보이죠. 왜냐면 최근에 정치적인 것 때문에 테슬라가 잘 안 되고 하니까 그런 세심하게 도와주는 걸 확인해 볼 수 있습니다. 근데 일론 머스크가 들어보면 Yes, I am. 나는 보수다라고 얘기를 해요.
I will tell you this. I've been doing this for, I've known him for a pretty long time. He endorsed me. I didn't know him that well when he endorsed me. But in the time I've known him, he has never asked me for a favor. He didn't ask me for this. I said, Elon.
자, 방금 중요한 내용이었습니다. 트럼프 대통령이 본인이 자진해서 도와주는 거다라고 강조를 했어요. 일론 머스크가 자기한테 도와달라고 한 적이 없다. 뭐를 원한 적이 없다라고 얘기를 해요. 그리고 정황상 트럼프 대통령이 어제 일론 머스크가 팍스 비즈니스랑 인터뷰를 했는데 거기서 이제 회사들을 운영하고 힘든 것처럼 얘기를 했는데 그걸 보고 트럼프 대통령이 새벽 12시에 일론 머스크에 대한 신뢰와 지지 표시로 새 테슬라를 구매할 예정이다 라고 얘기를 했는데 새벽 2시에 일론 머스크가 고맙습니다 대통령님이라고 게시물을 올렸더라고요. 그래서 아마 높은 확률로 트럼프 대통령이 일론 머스크에게 이 새 테슬라를 구매할 예정이다 라고 미리 얘기를 안 했을 수도 있어요. 안 했을 가능성이 높아요. 그래서 일론 머스크도 이 트럼프 대통령이 이렇게 해줄지 몰랐을 겁니다.
I don't like what's happening to you, and Tesla is a great company. I don't like what's happening. It's from
얘기하죠. 테슬라 매장에 테러 당하고 있고 뭐 그런 것들을 보고 지금 일어나는 일들이 마음에 들지 않는다.
From our standpoint, American cars, American made. He employs thousands of people. He's got, at the same time, he has the most modern plants in the world. I said, I don't like what's happened to you. I'm going to do it. I didn't even know he was going to come. He's never asked me for anything. He endorsed me, and he never asked me. I didn't even know he was going to endorse me. The guy has never asked me. He's not saying, in fact, I could go a step further. I ended the electric mandate. Okay? I ended the electric mandate. And I figured, when's this guy calling to raise hell with me? And he never called. I mean, he never called me. If I were him, I would have called.
여기서 전기차 보조금을 없앴을 때 일론 머스크가 컴플레인 한 적이 없다라고 얘기하죠. 일론이 자기한테 전화를 해서 뭐라고 막 따질 거를 기다렸는데 기다려도 전화가 안 왔다고 합니다.
I'm telling you, I ended the electric mandate and I was waiting for a call. I said, did Elon call yet? They said, no, sir. The next day, what about Elon? Did he call? He never even mentioned it to me, never complained. Until this moment, I'm just bringing it up. Who would do that? Yeah. He has never asked me for a thing. And he's built this great company, and he shouldn't be penalized because he's a patriot. He's an incredible patriot. And I don't even know if he's a Republican. I really don't.
Yes, yes, definitely.
I want to look at cars.
President, I have an announcement to make that would be helpful. I want to say, as a function of the great policies of President Trump and his administration, and as an act of faith in America, Tesla is going to double vehicle output in the United States within the next 2 years.
That's a big deal. That's good. Thank you.
자, 여기서 트럼프 대통령이 내년에 나오는 사이버캡, 자율주행차에 대해서 설명해 줘라고 합니다.
Yes, well, the Cybercab starts production in Texas next year, and it's self-driving. We have so much confidence in the self-driving nature of it that it'll actually not have a steering wheel. It will not have pedals. It'll either self-drive or not drive at all. But it'll self-drive.
President Trump,
내년에 텍사스 기가 팩토리에서 자율주행차를 만들기 시작할 거다라고 일론 머스크가 얘기합니다.
I'm going to pass on that. But
before this event today, when's the last time you bought a new car?
Well, I buy a lot through my children because they run the company now. I used to buy a lot. I haven't bought a new car in a long time.
What was your first car?
The only thing I know is the Beast. I got a big car with very thick windows and thick side panels.
Is that going electric? Is the Beast going electric?
We buy a lot of cars. Actually, I bought this one for Kai. Okay?
CEO.
I'm going to look at this. I'm going to make a decision. Do you want to hear what my decision?
Let's see it.
Okay. What's your best of these cars? What do you think?
Well, the car that I drive is the Model S Platinum.
Which is that one?
자, 이제 어떤 모델인지 일런한테 설명해 달라고 얘기하고 있고요. 그리고 자기는 테슬라 S 플레이드 모델을 탄다라고 얘기하네요.
That red one in the
I
middle.
like that. Yeah.
Yeah.
I like that.
It's 0 to 60 miles an hour in 2 seconds. So faster than a Ferrari.
That's pretty fast. I don't know if my people can handle it. Jeff, they're going to be using it more. I'm not allowed to use it.
That's fast.
That's a fast one.
Just to be clear,
That's
so the
beautiful.
50%, is that going to go into effect on Canada or no?
Which one?
The 50% tariffs?
I'll let you know about it. Yeah,
Okay.
I'll let you. But I appreciated his call. I thought it was nice. This is beautiful. Whoa! Should I get in?
자, 방금 50% 관세에 대해서 얘기한 거는 캐나다에 하는 관세에 대해서 얘기하는 건데 내일부터 전 세계적으로 미국에 수입되는 알루미늄 그리고 철강은 25% 관세를 매기게 됩니다. 그런데 캐나다는 50% 관세를 매기겠다고 출소셜에 트럼프 대통령이 올렸는데 온타리오 주지사가 25% 전기세를 미국에 부과하겠다. 그래서 미네소타, 미시건, 그리고 뉴욕에 25% 관세를 매기겠다라고 얘기했는데 그래서 트럼프 대통령이 50% 관세를 그러면 철강이랑 알루미늄에 하겠다라고 얘기하니까 이거를 다시 온타리오 측에서 철회했습니다.
That's beautiful. This is a different panel than I've had. Everything's computer. That's beautiful. Wow.
자, 지금 잘 들어보면 일론 머스크가 이거는 브레이크고 이건 엑셀러레이터다라고 설명해 주는데 이 트럼프 대통령이 이 운전석에 앉은 적이 거의 없다시피 할 정도일 겁니다. 그래서 그걸 설명해 주고 있네요.
That's beautiful.
Can you start it?
Should I? I'll see the engine. You gonna get it wrapped in gold?
So, do you want to actually drive?
You don't want me to drive it, do you?
I saw Biden do a
I'll tell you,
test
it
move
could
here
be.
once in the Jeep.
Yeah, but
Very easy.
that's you're the only one that saw it.
It's like driving a golf cart. It's very simple. It's literally like a golf cart that goes really fast. There's no gears.
This is really amazing.
You gonna get it? Mr. President, you gonna get it wrapped in gold?
Think Biden could get into that car? No, that's beautiful.
Mr. President talks about some of the violence that's been going on around the country at dealerships. Some say they should be labeled domestic terrorists.
I will do that. I'll do it. I'm going to stop them. We catch anybody doing it because they're harming a great American company. You know, I've stuck up for the NFL. I've stuck up for a lot of American companies and other companies, but American companies. I did a very big favor for the NFL. I do favors for all. When you heard an American company, especially a company like this, supplies so many jobs that others are unable to do. When you do that, those people are going to go through a big problem when we catch them. And we get a lot of cameras up. We already know who some of them are. We're going to catch them. And they're bad guys. They're the same guys.
자, 방금 트럼프 대통령이 얘기한 거는 테슬라에 대한 폭력은 국내 테러다라고 얘기한 겁니다.
Guys that screw around with our schools and universities, the same garbage. And no, we're going to catch them. And let me tell you, you do it to Tesla and you do it to any company. We're going to catch you and you're going to go through hell.
자, 굉장히 강하게 얘기했죠. 우리는 그들을 잡을 것이고 테슬라랑 다른 컴퍼니에도 그렇게 하면 지옥을 맛볼 것이다 라고 얘기합니다.
Hey Elon, are you planning to remain CEO of Tesla while working with President Trump? Is there any thinking on your future at the company? As we're talking about Tesla, I'm wondering where your thinking is with leading the company going forward.
트럼프 대통령이랑 일을 같이 하면서 테슬라 CEO로 남아있을 예정이냐라고 질문하고 앞으로 회사의 미래에 대해서 간단하게 질문을 합니다. 테슬라 CEO로 남아있을 예정이라고 얘기하고요.
Yeah. I'm CEO of Tesla and
You should.
yeah.
Some additional vehicles thoughts on the besides market? what you have now?
Well,
New
we've got
models?
the Cybercab coming out next year.
The one with no steering wheel. You're gonna buy one of those? We'll pass. We're too old fashioned.
Yeah.
So, Mr. President, when you look at the market selling off, that didn't concern you, and
Nope,
where do you see it
doesn't
going?
concern me. I think some people are going to make great deals by buying stocks and bonds and all the things they're buying. I think we're going to have an economy that's a real economy, not a fake economy. It was a fake economy. They were putting in all government jobs. You see what happened last month? We had more real jobs, and government jobs are way down. That's going to continue. Those are real jobs. Those are jobs that keep the country going. You can't have all government jobs. You have no income to pay the workers. And a lot of those workers didn't show up to work. That was the other problem.
자, 이제 기자가 마지막 질문으로 트럼프 대통령이 테슬라 자동차를 sam으로써 매출을 올릴 것 같냐라고 질문합니다. 그리고 테슬라 주식을 올리려고 이렇게 했냐라는 질문도 합니다.
You can do anything.
Mr. President, do you think you buying a Tesla will boost Tesla's sales and boost
Well, I
their
hope it
stock?
does. Look.
Was that your goal?
I care
by doing
about one
this?
thing. When somebody's a great patriot, they shouldn't be hurt. He's a great patriot. He didn't know me from Adam until we met a little bit when I was in my first term, but he came out, he endorsed me very strongly, and I admired that, I respected that, and I respected him for years. I respected him. And when there was a chance to help our government, you know, you're not going to use an average person. Some people say, well, let's use somebody that failed in business for his whole life. You know, this guy has been amazing. And the kind of thinking is from a different age. It's really from a different age. When we said, let's cut 2%, he said, let's cut 60%. And he turned out to be right. And a lot of people are just not here. They don't work for us. I mean, they're getting checks and they don't work. And you know, Peter, look, we have so many different stats and so many different figures. And it's so embarrassing to us as a country. No, we're going to have a streamlined country with good people. And one of the reasons, and I called for it wasn't a cabinet meeting, it was just a meeting of some cabinet members and Elon. The one thing, and I think he agrees with me 100%, it's one thing to cut, but we want to cut the wrong people, meaning we want to cut people that aren't doing the job. We want to keep the right people.
Absolutely.
And I said, I don't want to just say we're going to cut 50%. I want to cut the people that aren't doing the job, the people that aren't there, the people that are scamming the system. And he agrees with that 100%.
And are you sure you don't want to take a test drive?
I'd love to do it. Maybe I'll do it some other time.
Do you want to keep working with you throughout your first term? I mean, is there going to be an end date for the two of you working together?
I don't know.
자, 일론 머스크와 함께 일을 하는데 종료 날짜가 있냐라고 질문합니다.
You know, I was thinking about that the other day. I think he'll know when it's time.
Okay.
Well, he doesn't want to stay around.
He has up to 130
although I
days,
think he does like it. There's no place like the White House.
Elon, would you want to stay?
I don't think that. I think he wants to get the job, then get back to his businesses. That's what I think.
I just want to. I'll stay as long as it's useful and productive.
자, 일론 본인이 유용하고 생산적일 때까지 여기에 머물 거라고 얘기합니다.
I can help the country. I'll stay and do so.
Okay? Thank you, everybody.
Thanks, President Trump.
Good looking guy. Elon. Thank you, everybody.
자, 이렇게 트럼프 대통령이 자진적으로 이런 이벤트를 해서 일론을 도와주는, 그래서 지금 일어나고 있는 테슬라 매장에 대한 폭력, 그리고 테슬라 매출을 좀 올리려고 하는 그런 움직임도 보이는 것 같고, 하지만 확실한 거는 일론 머스크를 도와주려고 이런 이벤트를 했는 것 같습니다. 여러분들은 어떻게 보셨나요? 이 이벤트가 일론 머스크한테 궁극적으로 도움이 될 거라고 생각하시나요? 아니면 오히려 독이 될 수도 있다라고 생각하시나요? 자, 오늘 영상은 여기까지입니다. 도움이 되셨으면 좋아요와 구독 눌러주시고 다음 영상에서 뵙겠습니다.